Hello, my name's John Beaver, and I live and work in the state of Wisconsin in the United States. I've been an experimental art photographer for over 20 years, and I've been greatly influenced by the artists I've worked with, mostly painters. We've worked on big projects exploring connections between art and science. Since I'm a professor of physics and astronomy at a campus of the University of Wisconsin, my role in this at the beginning, in the late 1990s, was mostly that of the scientist. I've long been fascinated by techniques that use historical and analog processes in ways that would have been impossible in their heyday. At EXP.22, I'll talk a bit about the connection between the image, the object, and the process, especially in the relationship between historical processes that have a lot of physicality and the virtual world in which much of photography now exists. I'll give workshops on two little-known, but I would say versatile, inexpensive, accessible, and expressive techniques that I worked out over the last several years. And they've invigorated my own art, so I'm eager for this opportunity to share them so I can learn what others will do with them. I will give two workshops on what I call ephemeral process photography. It's a set of interrelated techniques I worked out starting in early 2016, and they all use printed out enlarging paper. It has much in common with lumen and chemilumen, but it's also a lot different in intention, process, and result. And it can even be used for a kind of inexpensive and accessible in-camera photography that's more reminiscent of wet collodion. It's described in my 3 books on photography that were published in early 2019, but this will be my first international workshop demonstrating the techniques. My other workshop will be on what I call Resinotype. It's a new process so far as I know, and it'll be described for the first time at this workshop. It makes beautiful prints from either positives or negatives on nearly any type of surface. I've been doing it for a year, and I'm still shocked at the beauty of the results and how easy it is, almost embarrassingly easy. I can't wait to share it with all of you and see what you do with it. See you in Barcelona.